In this video, I'm going to show you how conversational analytics changes how you can get instant insights on your data through a conversation. No SQL, no complex filters, just you asking questions and getting answers in seconds.
To begin, simply click the Conversational Analytics icon. If you don't see this option in your menu, your administrator likely just needs to switch it on for your account. Reach out to them to unlock it.
Once inside, you'll see your agents. Think of these as AI-powered experts that have been specifically instructed by your colleagues on your company's unique data language. These assistants understand the context of your organization, so they can provide answers that actually make sense for your specific business needs. To get started, just select an agent.
If you aren't sure where to begin, you might ask your agent to suggest a few questions. If you need a quick answer, use the fast mode for near-instant results. If you're tackling a complex business challenge that requires deeper reasoning, select Thinking.
Let's put the agent to work with a specific request. We'll ask for our top-selling categories based on closed orders over the last 12 months, and we'll ask to see that as a line chart.
Notice how the agent doesn't just guess. It asks for clarification to ensure the data is accurate. In this case, it's confirming exactly how we define a closed order. This collaborative approach ensures that the insights you get are aligned with your actual business rules.
Because this system is powered by your company's business logic, you get a single version of the truth every time.
Conversational analytics is not a black box. You can check its reasoning process. It's about transparency. You can see how Gemini broke your complex question down into logical steps. If you want to see exactly how the assistant reached its conclusion, you can review a clear, plain English summary of the logic used. You can be 100% confident in the data behind your decisions.
If you want to take these results further, you aren't stuck in a chat window.
With one click, you can open the analysis in our full exploration mode. This takes the exact data the assistant just found and puts it into a workspace where you can build custom visualizations, add new filters, or run deeper reports manually. It's a seamless handoff from a simple question to a deep dive analysis.
You'll notice that while the agent is powered by AI, it doesn't invent the analysis. Every calculation is generated by Looker based on our official business definitions, the semantic layer. This ensures that your key metrics are computed consistently every single time.
Our data set is complex and has multiple dates: order created date, delivery date, and others. But we didn't specify exactly which date to use. The agent knew to use the created date because it's been instructed according to our company's specific standards. It understands that in our organization, that's our default starting point. It isn't just a generic AI. It speaks and understands your unique business language, saving you the trouble of having to be overly technical or repetitive.
Now, let's continue with a follow-up question about loyal customers for these specific categories. Because this is a truly conversational experience, the assistant remembers exactly what we were just discussing. You don't have to repeat yourself or reapply your filters. It maintains the full context of your analysis, including our earlier focus on completed orders. The agent also has a built-in understanding of what a loyal customer means specifically for your company. You don't have to define your criteria every time you ask. It already knows your standards, allowing you to get straight to the strategy.
One of the biggest advantages of having this built directly into Looker is that these insights aren't just for show. They are actionable. Once you've identified a specific group of customers or a high-performing category, you can take the next step immediately. For instance, right from this view, you can trigger a targeted marketing campaign or sync a list of high-value users directly to your CRM. But your agent is more than just a data analyst in your pocket. It's also a powerful data scientist. It can automatically apply advanced forecasting and data modeling to show you not just where you've been, but where you're headed. As you can see here, the agent has taken our historical trends and generated a projection for the coming months. It handles all the complex calculations behind the scenes, allowing you to focus on the results. If you're curious about the logic, you can always review the Python code to see how the forecast was built.
Finally, keeping your work organized is easy. You can rename your conversations to keep track of different projects, and all your recent sessions are saved and ready whenever you need to pick up where you left off. Before we wrap up, there is one more way to leverage conversational analytics: engaging directly with your semantic layer. The key difference here is that while your agents are coached to comply with specific behaviors, this direct experience is an open dialogue. For example, if we ask about loyal customers here, Gemini will provide a general industry interpretation rather than your company's specific formula. Think of this as a powerful discovery mode. It's a perfect way to identify which of your unique business terms and internal logic should be explained to Gemini.